Paul Rotich kamishina musere wa Gitaru kirathiro ya bururi akiamukira mathaga motongoria kuma kwa Ivanza Choki kamishina uria rauma wabici rinene cia Gitaru giki tauni ria Embu.
Hand over the eastern region to Mr. Paul Rotich, who takes over as the regional commissioner for eastern region.
Rotich ule ratungata county commissioner wa county ya Marsabit ni ugite ni aramenya no kinyaniru mathina na mogwati maria maumanaga na mbukaniro cia nduriri na wima mavio underandirite na kuvura na mathina mau no kinyaniru county cia Marsabit, Isiolo na Mweru niguo gutigirira thaino onekana na mwengino aturania na urumwe.
We are going to engage widely and bring in other stakeholders and recommend for advanced methods of addressing the menace of cattle rustling.
Rotich ni wiranirite ni agwikirira rito kuvurana na urugi wa njovi cia ivango na wandumwe na wendia wa njovi takinyanirite ikiro biashara iriranekana merete mbere na gikero kinene na irera vesa na ugwati munene kwi mwingi wa Gitaru giki undu ararudia ngwataniro ya andu onthe niguo kugacithiria mbara iyo. Mwena riu wake Ivanza Choki uria urarogamirite Gitaru giki kwa kavinda ka mwaka umwe na uria wathamithirwo muciri munene wa Nairobi ni ugite nuretira magiria make maguceria thayo gatagatiri ka nduriri kavinda rikaria ria gitiri kuona ni matuikite magucira matunda na gucangira uthii wa nambere wa Gitaru giki na njira ya mwanya.
We had challenges in Marsabit and Marsabit County and Isiolo County and even Mweru County. But most of those challenges have been addressed, and I want to say that I am leaving Eastern region better than I found it.
Kwa gwataga mbaru wira uria rarutitwo ni Choki, Rotich ni wiranirite tabarira cionthe cia thirikari ta cia kuvari mifataraisa cia thogora wa nthi, ufandi wa miti na vesa wa irio ndo kuvurana ngaragu ni agutigirira ni cia thina mbere uria kuvatie.
Have the drought situation that is currently biting a number of counties in the region, and these are some of the areas which we are going to give a lot of focus so that we ensure that we reach our people and ensure that in areas where there is drought, we ensure that we don't lose lives.
Vandori va Kameme TV ni kaunti ya Embu ni Beta Dennis Fundi.